Who pays to fix your car after a car accident? After a car accident, one of the first questions people ask is who is responsible for paying for the repair of the vehicle. In North Carolina, the driver who caused the accident is generally responsible for the property damage. That usually means that the at-fault driver's insurance company must pay for the repairs to your vehicle. However, there is often another option as well. If you have collision coverage under your own auto insurance policy, then you may be able to go through your own insurance company to have the car repaired more quickly. Your insurance company may then pursue reimbursement from the at-fault driver's insurance company. The right approach can depend on several factors, including who is believed to be at fault and what coverages are available under the policies involved. While every situation is different, understanding the available insurance coverage can help determine how the vehicles are repaired after an accident. Although every case is different, understanding the available insurance coverage can help determine how the vehicle repairs are handled after a North Carolina car accident.